I'm Heather, this is Heather's Space, and this week I am going to show you a quick wall idea. It's something that I've been working on with B&Q for my blog, growingspaces.net. Pop the link below. Recently we painted our stairway, hallway, landing, all of that bit, and so I had to take everything off the walls, and now all that is left on the stairs is a big blank white wall that is desperate to be filled, but I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to put up there. And recently I went to a B&Q press event, and they gave us these little handouts at the end of things that you could make. And this one caught my eye, which is a way of making hooks out of plywood. Now, I am a big fan of using plywood in the home. We've used it all over the place, in my daughter's bedroom, in my son's bedroom, in my office. I've made a desk out of it. So this really appealed, and it's also quite similar to a hook that I've made before to hang some lights on for my office. The other thing that I've been really keen to make recently is like a macrame hanger so that I can hang up plants. So I thought I would combine these two ideas into a way to create a really interesting feature wall on our stairway. First up, I had a fun trolley dash around B&Q, just picking up some plywood, 18mm ply, some wooden dowel, some plants. I wanted ones that were trailing plants, so I've got some ivy, spider plants. I know they're not trailing, but they do have babies that go down, and there's another one, I can't remember what it's called, I'll put the details below. And some pots as well, so I got a little selection of pots in white and this lovely turquoise colour, because turquoise is a shade that we've used quite a lot in our house, and some rope to make the macrame hangers. I gave Ben the task of knocking up some of the hooks for me. Now, the ones that they'd done on B&Q were a circle and like a nought and cross shape, basically, I guess. But so I thought I'd do some circles, some squares, and then some triangles. So these are what he knocked up for me. They basically got a screw in the back so that you can screw that into the wall, and then rather than drill through from the front and have the faff of filling that hole, we've just glued them on. It's strong wood glue, so hopefully that will hold, otherwise I'm going to have plants and soil all over my new carpet on my stairs. So he did that, and then I made some of those macrame hangers. They were loads easier than I thought, just lots of knotting in the right places. I'm not going to share the full tutorial with you here because it would take ages, so if you want to know how I did that, head over to the blog. Then for me, it was working out where I wanted to position all these hanging plants on that wall. It's quite an awkward space because it's really tall wall actually. And obviously it looks different from the bottom of the stairs and from the top of the stairs, so I needed to try and find an arrangement that looked nice from both of those angles. I used some Postits, which some sticky notes, Postits, and I just stuck those up on the wall and moved them around, and then kept stepping right back to have a look at the arrangement so that I could really work out what placement would look best. I decided to go for an odd number, 5, in the end. That's a bit of a styling secret. Group things in odd numbers just looks more pleasing to the eye. Now, I decided that those Post-its were going to be where I wanted the actual plant to sit, so I had to work out the height that I would need the hook at, so that was a little bit above those Post-it notes. Then we just had to drill the hole, pop in a roll plug and screw in the hooks, hook over the plants, and voila, it was done. So what you get is a really striking sort of living wall effect. I can easily unhook them if I need to give those plants a bit of care, or if I want to change them around. It's just added some life and interest to a very blank wall without a huge amount of effort, which always gets my vote. As I said, if you want all the sort of nitty-gritty of how we made the hooks and those macrame planters, then do head over to my blog, growingspaces.net. If you have liked this video, thumbs up please. Do subscribe because I upload a video every week, so there's always something here. Oh, and I've started Snapchatting. I'm not really sure what I'm doing, but if you want to follow me on there, I am Heather Young UK. Shall I Snapchat us now? Hi Snapchat! Back to filming. Oh, hello!
What are you doing, Mummy?
Oh, I'm doing my video for this week. I'm just talking about the hanging planters I've made for the stairs. Do you like them? Say yes!
Yeah!
Wave hello, wave goodbye, see you later!